Yeah, man, my viewers and subscribers, you know, so we're there with a brand new one again. Undercover Thief Part 2. You understand? I know the one epic in a man, right? If you watch Part 1 already, you don't know, say, yo, this is the banger. So watch you now. Tell a friend. Share with a friend. Invite someone to the channel. Because watch you now. Watch you are coming now. And you don't want nobody miss out on it, you know. So do it right. Yeah.
I feel like I right now, but I'm stressed more. I'm tell us a dog. God know that. Yeah, I mean, say, yo. Tell me why I didn't want to talk in a dog. Yo, I can't believe I buy a radio from the man stand. And I see one man just run up on me and take a radio from me there about a film radio, brother. Yo, me not like them things there now. First thing, yo, for me see your radio, I love the radio in a star. Yo, man, grieving a dog. Yo, man, tell you, say, yo, man even know where you live, you know. You see me? Me even know if you find a man in a star. Yo, channel a star, yo. And a them thing then make man and man have problem in a chop. But just a come to me a while ago, you know. You know, say around I shop, me think me see that youth there. You know, say me go check a shop woman there and find out if you know nothing about that youth there. Cause yo, anything you want to know, just check one shop. Shop, you have to find out what I want. No matter who. Yo. Alright. Yo, man, tell so nothing. Shoppy! Hello, Shoppy!
Hello?
Yeah, auntie, you know, say me have one little problem. Say me one craving in there.
Yeah.
You know, say, what day I come here? Come buy and one you there and say me want shoes. But you know, say me have one little problem I want to find. You don't know where you live, boy?
Yeah, me know where you live.
You know how me attack?
Yeah, me know where you train selling.
Yeah. We call him Road Boy.
Right.
Yeah. Want to find him.
Go up and the turn one corner, catch one dead end, and the first house pan the last house pan dead end and they live.
Dead end?
Yeah, but you find man, just go and make the first turn.
Not sure you say name dead end. Nobody not kill nobody on any life around there.
No.
Alright, give thanks. Yeah, mommy?
Alright.
And blessings. Yeah, here?
Alright.
John Star. Why woman say me go on a dead end on this on the last corner? You house up on the last end. Alright, I'm go up there and kill people around me. Most over here, so Shoppy at all. Yeah, man, because Shoppy say when I come and say, dead end, you know. So most over here, dead end for the last corner in your house there. Road boy! Yo, road boy!
What was I call?
Road boy!
What was that?
Yo, road boy!
What was I call?
Road boy!
What is a man I do here?
Go on. Yeah, road boy, you me attack. Forward, man. Why you deal with general?
Yeah, go on, you're good. So come for more product.
Yo, brother, I'm not good, brother. I'm lose off for you, dog. What kind of thing that is?
You mean say you lose off of me?
I mean, man.
No, I can't lose off of me.
Brother, hear me I say, no, man. Yo, pa, hear me I say, brother.
Hey, yeah,
You ready to sell more there, brother?
You want one more?
Brother, hear me the one more, but hear the biggest thing, dog. Brother, me I come up on the road, because I love the radio, brother. And me I admire the radio.
You don't like it.
Brother, hear me I say, no, daddy. Because this thing, yo, it come like, yo, man, vibe on this, no, daddy.
So, yeah,
you see me? Hear me I say, daddy. Me I come up on the mic, run out of the yard, brother, and grab on for me. Grab on my radio, daddy.
So, make him and him take your radio?
Rise and mash it for me, daddy, man, of love. So,
oh.
brother, hear me I say, no, pa.
How take your radio?
Yo, brother, I want me to go link about the Virgin Stock.
Which one take your radio that me have
brother, hear me I say, no, man. I want me to go link the Virgin from my radio, dog. Because I'm going to get my radio, different things, daddy. You see me?
Alright, tell us something, soon come back.
Yo.
Me soon come back, here.
Yo, brother, yo, me not tell long as I know that, because I want me thinking of daddy.
Soon come back, man. I want you. Don't move, you know.
Yo, brother, yo.
You know what? I take one for you, because me and this man here,
Nah, argue over no thief in radio. I thought me no idiot. I know I back face me I take and do road and left him here.
Go long man they wait for the Virgin Star. I know Virgin no come yet, brother. I know you. Well man go and go get me ready in a Virgin. Yo, road boy. Yo, pa, what go on, brother?
Brother, you see I think me a come for.
Brother, you run us so too long. What kind of thing you talk about, pa?
Hey, Blicky.
What kind of blick, brother? You don't need that, brother.
Yes.
You don't need that, brother. Fari, come on, go get it ready, brother. We don't need that, brother. If I hear a thing, you don't need to take up Mickey Virgin.
I don't even know who me I got to.
Yo, dog, you come make a run with that.
Yo, me run with that.
Yo, forward, dog. You don't need that. Forward,
Look what me need. Right, look what I'm doing. Look what I'm doing.
brother. Please, Fari, just come and get me ready.
Make her get that thing, man. I want
Yo, you have a receipt, daddy.
But I want you, but I got a receipt.
Yo, anything you say, still, you're buried. Yo, forward. Yo, you want me ready, brother.
I know. I'm really pissed.
Yo,
you have to get back here.
Right in the dog, that's some love radio and a radio player.
Go on, man, I deal with it.
Yo, you know what? Yeah, bass and radio dog. Yo, you know that.
One day, if you go. Go ditch.
Oh my God, it's so lovely. These Jamaican people, when you're not see, you got it.
You're not laughing at me, Rich.
Oh my God.
You said can't be here with
I heard someone was calling me, and it could have been nobody else but you.
Nobody else but me.
Girl, this is so lovely.
Come.
Wow.
Look here, we have only to catch up on.
Let's go, talk about it. Oh my God, you got chance.
No, you sit. You can't sit over
I thought you were going in a big house.
No, we are catch some fresh air out.
Okay, I catch fresh air too. Set my braids properly.
So,
Man.
you look nice. I like your colors.
Thank you.
You're colorful.
I've been popping. I've been trying to pop a bit, you know. Man, I had the craziest night the other night.
What happened?
Let me talk about mine first, man. Girl, I had the craziest night. I was walking, just left the ATM. Say I was going to have a drink. It's a lucky thing my rag fell on the ground. This good Samaritan came by. He picked it up for me. He was like, oh my God, you dropped your rag. I was like, thank you.
We still have good people around. So what's his name?
Well, I don't remember his name though, but I offered him a drink. And we went to the bar. This little spot, like it wasn't like it's Kiki's Cohen and Cafes up by the beach, Norman Manley's Boulevard.
I know exactly where you're talking.
It's a cozy spot. And I was ready to pay my bill, and there was no money. He said I was getting so, I don't know what was happening to me. He was like, calm down, I'll pay it for you. He paid all of it.
Everything went smooth. Falan,
Yes.
listen. Next time you need to be careful. Probably you lost your money. Where you keep your money, Falan?
I had it right here.
Jeez, Falan, how many times you come to Jamaica and be keep until you Falan? Don't bring the money on
Man.
your breast. Put your money inside of your bag.
True.
Or you keep your money inside your pocket. You won't lose it that
Well,
way so easy.
I had such a bad night, a bad day, bad everything that time except for the drink.
Well, I'm glad you overcome everything. Everything runs smooth, right?
I'm just sorry you came to look for me, and I
Take time talk. Me know what my husband knows, say me never see you. Listen, you see, the same time I come look for you and I not see you, I come back round me and him to go up on the road. And him can't find him clocks, him clean off and
Oh my
put it right
God.
over there, so.
what you did, sold it?
Me sell it for
You
and
sold
me buy
it.
the expensive clocks, give him Falan, so that's why I'm so upset and me say, look here, we now worry go up on the road.
Oh
So
my God.
I stayed home, but him did still. Same I go look for one of my friends.
He's still looking for you, like somebody jumped him on the
I
subway.
don't really know what happened, but me just feel say shoes there in our yard. Who we take it for long?
Well, I don't know. I can't help him. You want to leave this place?
Well, it's not really like say me just want to leave this place, but Falan, who no want chill with you, Falan? You only have couple days, or probably a
And the
week.
vibes, girl. Let's
So-
go have a drink somewhere.
Me make my husband know say me I go up on the road.
Okay.
You know him now go say no, cause you're my girl. Nick.
Let's go.
Oh, Nick.
Babes.
You know say Me I go on the road with Fallon and come back. And I just want to make a little walk. Probably stop and have a drink or so.
Have a drink? Yeah, man, no problem, honey. But you know one thing, you know, I'm not find the clocks yet.
You better find him, cause
Me I look all over the place, but alright, yeah.
yeah, we alright. I'm gonna spend like probably about 1-2 hours and then we call you alright.
Oh, your friend
you
from
come meet
overseas?
me. Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Where else could I be from?
Oh, shit.
You never realize that she.
Oh.
Yeah. So me soon come back.
We don't know where we're going. We just tap him up and where you at.
Oh, you know, invite her in our house and make you
No.
sit down. Or so you don't just come.
Yeah, babes, but because the fresh breeze are
How
blowing
was
and
the
a
flight?
long time
It was
she not
good.
get some
It
fresh
was a
breeze.
bumpy ride.
Okay.
A long time she not get the
It's like the
natural
plane was
breeze.
jumping in lots of potholes up there.
Oh,
Come
okay.
here.
Damn.
Take care of yourself. But yeah,
I wasn't gonna come out and help that
Care
palace
about
push
some-
it
care
though
about
if it
something
broke
nice, you
down.
Remember you go come meet me so you will get whatever you want
Sure.
on the road. You head around fine the clocks.
sorry.
Let me
sir.
up in the phone, but I come break off your all
You
thing to me.
should have come open here.
No, I see we are struggle.
Okay.
Oh my God, Shayna! There's my beer! Oh
Your
my
beer?
nails, yes. If I don't get some glue to put this back on, I have to take me to a nail technician.
You and your gadgets them.
I hope nobody don't worry about me.
You
if I
see that
run
babe?
into my
And you
birthday.
know why me if you put on them something there on my finger.
Sure.
I just need
Fella,
some
him not
glue
even
right
want me to my
now.
finger them tall like yours.
I was looking
them.
for the beer though. The beer doesn't.
Let me see. Look here. You see they glue them back in the States stronger than our glue. So save your beer. We can get a little crazy glue if you put it on, but save your beer. When you go back at your nails, make them
glue?
put it on.
The glue is crazy?
Yes, it's crazy.
Okay.
Two things I think, you know. You see me? There's two things I think, daddy.
What?
I mean, man, either I get back the thing, dog, or I get back my money, pa.
Oh, Elder, we can
Yeah.
get back your radar, but guess what? See this? We call
Not
it
more.
mission.
Mission.
Yeah.
I mean, man.
You know you want a mission? Too special. You can't buy that.
Yo, pa, right now, man, even so active still now.
You know you go for a
Listen,
mission and
man.
active.
I don't really, I just a thing, brother, man. Yo, forward, brother. Yo. Yo. Where's the one? Shop over? Shopping. Yeah.
Oh, go on.
What do you know?
I mean, bless up yourself. I mean, everything.
What we can afford for you know? What do I know?
Want a 62 special.
Alright.
Give me a white rum special, mommy.
Alright, let me have your man.
Come like you want to whole air in a cup, you know.
I mean.
But if I idiot,
Never say idea.
Ah.
I'm a good shot, you know? I'm a good customer,
I
you
say, have
know?
ice them, moment.
Yeah, man, I have ice, man.
Alright, show some energy.
Yeah, good. Give me.
One bomb?
See
No.
me tell you.
Thorough.
This are vibes.
Yeah.
Page him with.
I mean,
You understand?
Oh, yeah,
If a man rush with my shit, you know, man.
Yeah, man, so this at least still not far. I just me read them off to get back.
Just,
I mean, man.
I see this, auntie.
Alright, so I stand up, Virgin.
Yeah, put a little piece in it.
Yeah, man. Here we go, man.
Hey, the shop look nice, though.
I mean, man.
Yeah, man, big man, man, big man, I know.
Alright, shop look nice, man.
Sometimes not go and sometimes I top man, boy, I know.
I mean, big man. I like the place.
Yeah, man, I like the place,
Look,
man.
look. Yeah, brother. Yeah,
Eh?
man, I want you to tell you, man.
So the music can't play?
I mean,
Yes, we
man.
can't play much, no problem.
Really nice, man. I like it.
Yeah, man, don't tell me anything, you know. Long,
I
long
mean,
time,
man,
about
yeah,
15
more
years.
want to get the thing up and running, you know, man.
Yes,
Want to read, I read them in the pan, you know.
Can get the next one.
I mean, man, but you know, when you go for your radio and forward, we just deal with the next round.
I'll
That's
get the
what I
next
say.
one.
I mean, man.
So pay bartender now.
Hey, mama.
Alright, thank you,
Hold on,
man.
hold on. Here.
Yeah, man.
Alright, blessings.
Take care of yourself, man. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself, man.
Go come back for the next one.
So
Yeah?
Alright,
forward,
no
I run
problem.
down the road on a mission.
Yeah, man.
And come back.
Alright,
Go have
man.
some more liquor. You see me?
Yeah, man. Alright, man. Alright.
What idea look lovely, you know? I feel like I'm going to go on one of them bars, they're going to enjoy myself with my piece of radar. Come on. You have to come first.
Ruin yourself, Virgin, with Virgin. Ruin yourself, man. Take me ready for me, daddy.
pass
You see me, I say,
One man.
I mean, man, I want me ready that. Come on, say, buy me.
Yeah, me say make him a bad your bad take care of it. But you know bad man. Me and big man do what this?
What kind of big man and a buy me buy ready fire?
Man, man.
Run up and with my shit and the TV ready that. Yo, forward, dog. Hope the same man live, dog. Yo, me have to get my radar, daddy. Yo, me need my radar start.
Yeah, man, you have to get your radar. You have to get it. Today, now pass and you don't get your radar. You can't go on and say you're an idiot.
Yo, bossy.
Are you again, man?
Yeah, boss, I come for my radar, bossy. The radar you take for my brother, but say I thief me thief for radar, bossy.
Yes, sir.
Yes, bossy.
How are you? You have sense?
I mean, say me a sense, bossy.
Don't move.
Yo,
Push radar.
yo, road boy, you hear some man living.
We are talk to. Are you alone
Yo,
there,
some
sir?
man disappear from my father.
Which man you
That father
talk?
want me to come up and say, come in
Listen,
an
man,
argument with
listen,
your
man.
father with for radar. And my radar man say my father.
My radar, man.
What you mean? See,
Come and see.
me nah no receipt, the man say a Berlin getting thing out. What kind of receipt
Wait,
you
man,
talk about?
show me the man.
Show
Show
me
me
no
the man.
gun, Barry. You know see me attack then the man disappear from my father.
Auntie,
Yeah.
Wagwan.
Yeah, man.
Remember he runs the hell up here for?
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Remember,
man, let me
man. Yeah,
come.
man. Okay, come for now. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, he might forward still, you know.
Yeah, he might come back,
But
alright.
he might take a little while before he reach here.
Yeah.
Stop.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah. Be a good door.
Yeah, man. We good, man.
I'll take your walk up. I can't see it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me want to flex them, man.
Ah, true, yeah. But you know if you do your thing, man.
They will have shopkeeper.
Ah, I tell you, you bad.
So I like me around there, you know.
So how long have you really here, you say?
You know, say about 15 years now, Panasonic, you know.
15 years?
Long time we have it, you know. I don't road, you know.
But we not going to be next year.
What make you say that?
You going to buy?
Oh,
Yeah, you're not going to be next year. We're going to buy.
alright.
Alright, pick up yourself, yeah?
Big up yourself.
Yeah,
Thank you,
stay.
man. Thank you.
Let me just see a my own
How
part.
avoid the road there? Mash up with the
Yo,
road.
yo, bossy.
If the Indian tell you come on me yard, me go.
Them boss, man, get me radar, man. Have to come here, that yard, and bossy.
Yo, boy, my yard.
Yo, yo, me warrior here.
Yeah, I don't know enough. I plan to have a good day, but I don't. The devil at work. Devil at work. Devil at work. You see, but that not spoil the day. You understand? But I have a good time and drink 2 beers. Oh, sir. Come like that God send you. No, so this can hold the radar. Right now, I go back for the radar. Nah, make to the pass and I don't go for the radar. This me I use go for the radar.
Look like me coming right time because she no sit down there, you know. I probably she in a shop. We go down there and look and see if she down there.
Service! Service!
This time the bad there like she gone.
You just say, nah, make your last and next year with this one, yeah. You think a joke me and make? Hey. Get to the man a right size box, this here. Right size. Come back, if somebody put on this box for me. Anybody me sell this, then can't buy. I tell me see what 15 year me have it too. 15 16 here, me have it. I mean, I make it 16 catch me with D. I'm mad the sound system this. Oh man, this is a box heavy man.
Yeah. Bakit siya pa yaman? Why? You, but out in my box. Jesus Christ. Wait there. You know somebody the boy come back in the room. The boy asked me say, my box look good. If I back out in my box. Jesus Christ. No man. They got me box, oh God. No man, I'm the other man. Jesus Christ, if I call up people. Thief! Thief! Thief, they got me box. Oh God, they got me box. Thief! Thief!
How about General?
I'm here, man.
You see me have some goods I want to sell.
Yeah,
Listen,
man.
can you do this side?
Yeah, man, let's go inside, man. Check it out, man.
Alright, pick up yourself, here.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
Bad over.
yeah, man. Big man thing. Go ahead, Lord. Let's get low.
This is so lovely.
Falan.
So lovely.
Falan, cheers.
Cheers. Could you act for something better than this?
No.
Oh my God, like a cherry on the bottom. It's,
You make me feel like it's my anniversary.
oh, it's my
With them big champagne here. Why, girl? Life out if you live in a girl. I'm glad me have a friend like you. 'Cause
cheers
guess
to
what?
good life, more money.
You never go away and come back and forget me, girl.
Crazy, I could never do that. Remember when you're at these places, you gotta sit like this. Come.
What you say? Chest
You can't go like this.
Chest up high and butts out.
Chest up high and butts out.
I know my babes want to see me. But me there a big bar and drink champagne.
Did you call him and tell him where you are?
You know, so I should have called him in a little while. Maybe go and
We're having
chit-chat
so
with
much
him.
fun right now.
Because
Don't worry
remember,
about
me
him.
already tell him if he come meet me, so him plan for that. So we can go and hold a little more vibes. You know, things so, cause when he come actually, for me and you look fun, go just done so.
Yes.
Certain things that we want to talk about.
So why
we
not
can't
enjoy
talk
it?
about around him.
Oh my God, this style is so hard to keep up. I just want to leave my belly low like that.
I feel like you know you eat too much because you're getting too fat in a girl.
Don't say that. That's a body.
You're
Oh my
eating all these
God.
frogs legs back over there in the States.
I've been eating steak and lobster,
And frog
garlic.
legs.
No, I don't eat frog legs.
Gator tail.
I eat oysters though.
Gator tail.
And the scallops. I don't eat no gator.
Cause you know, out here, the frog's leg, they call it spring chicken.
I don't want that. I would never try that. I'm not a no. I'm not a no.
Alright, man.
Respect, yeah.
One love, man.
Alright, that is it. Yeah, pick up yourself.
One love, yes, sir.
Bad be bad.
Alright.
Alright. Yeah, yeah. Wow.
You think we should have called?
Yes, try to check up on him, see what's happening. I don't know.
Because me I enjoy myself too much.
Call him. Ring him. Give him a ring. Or just give him a buzz. Wow. My love wanted. Wow. He got a place in your heart, girl.
Fall and don't be jealous.
I'm not jealous. You two be burning a hole in the floor. My God.
Girl, you know you have something else.
Damn.
Honey, you know me there, I enjoy myself. Really enjoying myself.
Of course.
Oh my God. So what's up?
Nothing me just make you know say, Falan make me feel like it's my anniversary.
Yeah.
So with their Kiki's bar and
Kiki's
cafe.
Cafe.
Kiki's
Oh.
Cafe. So you know where that is right on the front.
Okay, so you need me to come by now?
You can swing by in probably in the next 20 minutes or so.
Be great.
Okay, baby, I'll do that. The Kiki's bar.
Kiki's Cafe.
Yes, you
Oh,
can't
yeah,
you can't miss
Kiki's
it.
Cafe,
You
yeah.
Yes,
can't miss.
yes. You can't miss it right on the front.
Yeah, that's across from Bamboo Walk,
Yes,
right?
man. Yes.
Okay, I know that spot.
All right, babe. Later. Love you.
Okay, love you too, boo.
Wow, you guys got something going on.
Fella, you see why me have to store the name like that, girl?
I see, I saw.
Pure sugar in my ruga.
Hi.
Well, auntie, you there? Hey, you get a special there.
Yeah, man.
You know, say rum have a buzz. I like
Yeah.
the rum, you know?
Yeah,
Have a
man.
buzz.
Come in, man.
62 special, CSP.
Yeah.
Yeah. The thing good though.
Yeah, everything good, you know.
Yeah.
Everything good,
What's
man.
the feet
Everything
again?
good. Give me 350 now.
Alright.
Wait here.
Wow, you know.
I come out not alone, come by rum for me.
No many ill come and come buy rum, and that's why I come back come buy more rum.
Yeah.
The rum bad.
You see that thing with me box, man? You know
What?
the box with that thing me box me out.
Nice. Well,
Look at one, look at me box me got a beard.
eh? What you say? What the wicked people them?
Hey, man, I hear now you can't kick me out of my box, man.
Oh God,
Hey.
you could never
Man,
touch
you
your
know.
box. I mean, just come buy rum and gone.
Man,
So
you
we couldn't come and say come thief box in the
But
inside.
man, you, I don't come here, man, you talk down, but me box gone. You don't know me have the youth. You don't smell gas station youth. Now gas
You
station
know,
youth.
say, real meds.
Eh.
This is one youth run past me something in a bunny head. I mean, I want to buy him TV.
I must see man. Eh? I must see man. I must see man. Me box that man. It's something heavy.
Yes,
See,
this is
that's
man.
because I box the boy, please.
And the boy mass up to you, so we can't see the head cut. You know, so we can't recognize him body.
God almighty, man, I look at one TV box, you don't let me have the youth. You know, long youth.
The wicked people,
I'm
them, man.
getting to come back, me must guard the youth. Boy, do that, so look after him, see me.
Yes, man, never look and come back to you.
Yes,
Yeah.
man, do me a beg. You know,
All
let
right.
me wait for you, man. Jesus, let me wait for you, man.
Don't worry yourself, man. Just give me a little time, man. I'm leaving right now. Yes. Okay, no problem. Yes, babes. All right.
I love what you guys have going on.
Yes, girl.
Those type of love are rare,
Falan.
hard to find. Those love grow.
And girl, me have to cherish it.
That love grew,
As the
right?
days
I
go
guess
by-
that love grew.
Every tick I clock, me have to cherish that love.
I don't know
Falan.
what is wrong with that guy. He thinks I'm gonna call him. He has to call me. He has to chase me. I'm not running down no man.
Exactly, Falan. You see, in times like this, you don't need to chase after no man, especially when you have your dollars
Damn.
and a thing going on for your girl.
Oh my God, what I gotta worry about?
If he really desire you so much, he will
See,
call.
why worry when he can eat and drink?
Cheers to that.
I don't know what is wrong with that guy. He thinks I'm gonna call him. He should call me.
But
I'm
it's
not
like your
chasing no
phone
man.
ringing.
Hello? I don't know. Cloudy sky.
Can we meet up?
No problem. You know I'm at the same spot right now?
Oh, good. That's at Kiki.
Yes.
All right, they're gonna be there.
Okay, swing by. I'm here.
All right. My woman, this fan. Hey, me know say me about it lucky.
But Falan, I can't wait to see what that good Samaritan looks like.
Yeah.
Hope it's somebody
Well,
like really nice.
He
In
is.
person, inside out.
He is. He takes care of the bill, so why not? Talk to him. He'll pay the bill. He'll pay the bills. He'll do everything else.
But it seems
Right.
like he's a nice guy then.
Yes.
Well, I'm not going to tell us that you have to try your luck. It's all up to you.
My luck is already.
Feel it out and see what it...
I'm already in. I'm already in.
All right.
10,000.
I just want to make
My
sure.
fingers
I
too.
just want to make sure say you're safe. Because sometimes people play nice. And
Yeah, I like
honestly,
you.
At the end of the day, they're
Yes.
really not that nice. Girl, and it works like, oh, you carry an accent. I don't know, someone, you know.
I'm
You know what I'm
trying
saying?
so hard.
Yeah, it works like, oh, you walk with an accent all over the place, girl. You have to know.
That's why I'm gonna be linking you
Yeah.
more regularly. I'm just sorry about that time.
Surprise!
Hey,
What's
girl.
up?
You're rich. But they are enjoying
You're
myself.
being here.
What you doing?
Yeah, get a nice
Okay,
drink.
we're having lots of fun.
Oh, you know myself, I just a pass through, see me. Let's see, you ready?
Well, we want to go somewhere else, go chill out a little bit.
But
With your company.
Okay, no problem.
But I'm waiting on someone, so let's just wait until he gets here. Then we can go.
Oh,
Can
no.
have a walk.
That's no problem. I see you guys having a nice
Popping
drink.
champagne and
Yeah.
all.
So when you're planning leaving?
Maybe I even extend my trip.
Oh.
So I can't say.
So you get any dumpling and banana yet?
Not as yet.
And roast breadfruit?
No.
Oh.
Not as yet.
And sugar cane, the lamb, sugar cane.
not as yet.
Jesus.
Oh.
I've been working on that one.
Oh, you need to tell your friend
She gonna
to
get
you some
green
of that.
plant also.
Yeah, no ripe banana.
Tell her don't
No,
take
you
any
need
ripe
a green,
banana.
green one tough and planted.
But wait,
Yes.
babe, you know, I was thinking about looking about after some seafood boy
Yeah,
here
man,
one
if
of
you
these
cook some
days.
for your friend, man. 'cause
Sure.
she's probably
Let me have some
leaving.
of the yardy things
This
to
is very
eat.
nice. You wanna taste it?
Damn, I drone him.
You like it?
Yes, I like it.
It's getting me tipsy. Wait until later.
Girl, you don't behave yourself.
I saw she go on when she take a little sip every little now and then.
Where
you know?
is he?
Him not trouble,
It's
him
like
not trouble.
half an hour now. He said he wasn't gonna take so long.
You think you want to call him back?
I am not chasing him.
So where you planning and chilling? We have plenty of places can go in.
Well,
Babes can
No.
tell you.
nowhere special.
My
Probably
phone
you
is not
can
even
pick
ringing.
somewhere.
I don't know where he is.
Oh.
Hold on, check back the phone if you miss a call again.
Don't worry,
Remember you
you'll
miss
be
call
soon here,
regular.
man.
No.
You see one thing with
Does he
Jamaican
know?
man, one thing with
Them
Jamaican
take
man.
long to come.
But wait. What did any do about so? Shayna. So Shayna friend. Nick!
Where are they, brother? Hi!
Shayna. Mom,
One chop
What's
lard.
going on?
Where you go?
she me calling. I'm Friday for soon.
Of course, he's the one we've been talking about.
Oh God, that's like this.
Him.
What a coincidence.
Yes, Chop Lord.
I'm my husband, good friend, this you know?
Really?
Yes.
This is gonna go great.
So you go on, brother.
You're really hugging me from over the counter.
Come on.
Really? You can't wait?
my
Oh my
God.
God. He's a hugger. He's been a
So the
hugger.
good door.
Yes, man. What is?
Oh God. So the phone up to.
Me hear about the goodness when you do, so
Of course I don't know.
thanks be to that.
Well,
See? Good hand.
Where do we- Let's get ready to go now.
Eh?
Like how you take care of my friend, she
Yeah,
tell me
we
everything
meet her
about
and-
chop lard.
A little
It's
thing
been
for
good.
them just help out. You know?
It's been great.
Yeah.
So we're gonna make a move
So,
right here.
we're ready to go now.
Yeah.
Yes, man.
Okay.
Babes.
Oh, we have to pay the bill.
Gonna let you do?
Oh, there's no problem.
Pay my bill, baby.
Come on,
Pay
for the
my bill.
bell.
Pay my bill.
Where's it?
Hello?
Who's serving?
My God. Bill, please.
So, I have a fire, so.
You're not choose yet, you know.
Oh. Alright, thanks.
Pay my bill.
See that girl?
When you're a good boy, man. I'm not tell about him, man.
So, you ready here now?
Yeah, just leave it there.
Alright.
Let me
So,
get
be
it.
right there, sir. Yeah? Wow, now.
Let's go.
Come follow cause me have to take care of you. Make sure so you come out alright.
Yes. I don't want to get robbed.
Cause me no want you drop your rag again.
Stop looking at that.
How far is me for that?
I want a cup. Really bursting it from my life.
So sit here.
Yeah, I mean, that's how I feel like them tired. Yes, sir.
I'm nice to fuck this one. So, let's see how everything good. Okay.
Go sit up. No, I have to get that one.
Wow. Sit down, not yet.
Come on, man.
Not yet, not yet.
What's here?
Not
Take time.
So we
Not
have to get
yet.
jealous already?
Take time.
You just
Yeah.
make me friend.
Not
I'm
yet.
gonna get
Don't
to
worry
you.
about it.
She get jealous and said not
Take care
yet.
of your
Don't
lady,
worry
brother.
about it.
Take care of your lady, brother. Yeah, man.
Don't worry about it.
Alright.
I feel like I eat something more.
Yeah, my belly rolling.
You
You
hungry?
feel hungry?
Yes, I
too?
am.
Can you tell me something could I buy something for you?
You could go get it.
Where you feel?
Don't worry about it. I'll take care of it.
Where you
this time.
definitely feel for Falan?
I'll eat some pizza.
Pizza. You want pizza?
What you feel?
I love the pizza also.
Oh.
You just match up with Falan.
Think gonna easy.
Alright.
No.
Think gonna easy. They not easy.
I easy ball game, man.
We go buy and come.
Oh, you go by?
We go buy and
Where you
come.
ain't going to lift me up and bring me to a pizza
No, I was
shop?
gonna put you down.
Falan, you soon get them and lift up here, girl. You have to do it. You're bad for your back. Now do that tonight, though. Don't let me down. Don't let me down.
Let's go get it. Okay?
What do
Don't
you
worry
have?
about it.
Alright, no back.
Don't need me so forward enough. Let me pass and come back. You see?
Yeah, me forward or what?
Yeah, man. So even if you can go
Cool, man,
and
go
talk.
and chill and, you know what I mean?
Alright.
We got one of the girls talk
Make
about
it
it. Nice
quick.
talk.
Yeah, I could have a little exercise, cause my waistline, right?
Yo, come here, come here.
No,
Come here.
yeah,
We have to
alright,
work on
yeah.
that.
Just get a WD-40.
No, man, me have it really
Falan,
ready.
me the whole battle of WD-40 myself.
Why, mom's are going good, you know?
No, nice. No, move like a lovebird, though. Yo,
Oh,
brother.
man, tell us a nice woman.
Big man thing, brother, but still and still. I don't know you get so much money, you know, still, but yo, me I wait
Still,
for
I
you,
still
so
putting
still.
that, I
Yo,
still
me I wait
putting
for you, so still, cause I don't know like you back a walking thing,
You know, see, I'm getting there. Yo,
Yeah.
let me pass and circle.
Yeah,
Yeah.
man, you there look
Alright.
for two shirt, my friend.
Yeah.
See if like none of them. Chan wall go and still, you know. One time I know choppy now, no money, you know. All of a sudden, me man, I take care of bills for you, man. Right, yeah, that's still, you know. But right now, premium still, you know.
Right now, and you give me this some money, yeah? Then you change it for my one, me tell them that.
So what do you think about him?
Well, to be really honest, Falan, you can't try me, just not put all of your trust in him. because-
50-50.
Yes, 50-50.
I think so too.
Like, him will take care of you and them look way there, but me not too like the bar thing.
I'll take time to know
Him
him.
is a person where him love the bar. And me not too like the bar thing. Him always call me husband for them go hang out at the bar and me not too like that's the only part
That's
I'm
how
not
he is.
comfortable with. You understand? But otherwise
You always fret when your husband leaves and go with him to the
with him
parties?
because him
You think
always
he's
want-
giving him girls?
Well, not really the
You
girls.
take him
know.
for that type?
No, not really the girls. But Falan him drink too much and then you know what happened after that.
When I was walking on the road and my rag fell, I didn't see him behind me all the time. As soon as it was on the ground, he was there.
And where was he going? Probably to
I
the
don't
bar.
even know where he was coming from.
Okay, but on the other hand, he will spend for you because you know when a man see something what them want, they will spend for it.
Better
But
put his money where he mouth.
just wait
Right.
50-50. 50-50.
I'll do it. I'll do it. I think he should put in the 80 and I put a third.
And
He put-
you,
put-
yes, you put the 20.
I put a 20.
The 20. That's it, my girl. You know, just come and just fall in love. Look
Yes.
here. Me dey a long time me fall in love. You know, just come and fall in love. You get
So I
what me
guess
say?
I should not put my eggs in one basket.
Feel it out first.
So I should get a plan B.
Have a plan B. Always have a plan B.
And I was
Fran.
thinking about him alone as a plan A.
Have a plan B. It doesn't matter. Have a plan B.
When are you take ready? You ready? All right. Thanks, here. But ready.
Wonder if you could even take him back to the States with me.
That no sound bad because it look good to see my husband friend gone a foreign and then we
Yes.
something there, but just think about it.
I'll think about it.
You know why you move too fast.
Neighbor feel say, you might get the whole of them a piece. Me count this slice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take a lick this one, doesn't look no way. It look obvious. Huh? I think please. You can't share. No. Reach.
Wow, I want the wicked man. I
What
want
already?
Express.
You mean, man? Cheese piece in the man, so you don't take less than 5 seconds for deal with, doesn't it?
God, no, my
I
friend.
tell you.
Yo.
You ready?
No, hold on, my friend. Big man thing. Yo, put on pizza a little bit, so I'm raised with a little bit. As a nigga, my friend.
We see how going on now.
She like how you man and move like a love birds.
Yeah.
Brother, big man thing.
See how problem my yard?
Brother, no really problem.
Oh,
No. Me man, when buy me one clocks, virgin, see? And guess what? Every minute in me then again, me fi find the clocks. So can't lend me a money, me just buy one same black clocks, brother.
You know me, man. How much feet?
Brother, you know, say a 20 grand feet.
Alright, here me go. I'm going to chop our money off of moms and kill.
Yeah, you don't know.
You have much you have money?
Alright, brother. That's a real nigga.
I give you some money and just deal. Everything.
You know your money miserably, no boy. Nice.
You know the money, man.
He's taking so long.
Oh, speaking of the devil.
Two of them.
Yeah, man, ladies, the most complimentary.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Hot already.
Ah, man, that's...
Don't have a seat.
Oh, very good, man. You turn up. You must have your money.
Gentlemen.
Ladies,
Stand
before
aside, you know.
gentlemen, you know what I mean?
This way.
Although they say gentlemen, I want shoes.
What kind of pizza is this?
Which pizza come with one slice?
That's what I want to know. You ate one on the
No,
way?
look here. You say I want special have it. See man on the box, him take one. Cause look, see piece over here so. See realize say missing. And look, when I open it, I see him what you say.
Hey, you can't play no tricks on me.
No man, that's special.
Only a chew.
It's like is there?
You know, say, me then did when him alright.
I understand because if this is special, you're supposed to get with one extra slice. If a special, you get with one slice less and then you get money for it. What happened? You don't understand this.
Look, there's pepperoni here.
You don't understand
Did you eat it?
No, because I'm a pepperoni
Did
pizza. I'm a pepperoni pizza and this is a cheese one.
Oh. I am not questioning it. Are you?
In Jamaica, we don't get pizza like this.
Where's the topping?
Cheese don't come with topping.
So where's my change?
You know, before this thing, 1,500 feet. I never know the pizza raise until today.
But
That's why I don't to buy pizza because they ever raise the price.
so
I'm like,
pizza raise and they shorten one slice of
No,
pizza.
at the man on the box.
Yeah, man, anything he say, I ain't going there.
What a coincidence. That's weird.
Yeah, because me I ask the woman say, and he say it's special, and I say, hey, first me about this.
This bigger than coincidence. We're going to get to the bottom of it.
Okay.
At a later date.
Crime scene investigation for the pizza.
You don't want to do.
Yeah.
Because it seems like one slice thick already are.
I'm gonna eat right now. Help me, baby. Help me, girl. Help me.
Definitely going to get to the bottom of it.
So take one on it.
Come, babe.
Help me.
Alright.
Guys, you opinion.
Can't wait for do that there.
Me too.
Can't wait. Go there. You didn't know it. But no, come on. Break it up. Break it up.
Every day, like
Break it
that.
up.
You have
It's
to
hot.
smell.
This was real good.
Really good.
Hot and nice.
Hot and ready, as they say.
Me hold it back to you.
You can imagine if one slice.
I'm just trying to fix it back, you
I
know.
will fix it for you.
Okay. Thank you.
See, like you can eat another one, no sure.
Yeah. You
But
see
I
the
would eat a
slice you're
cow.
missing, that slice would fill the
No,
gap.
next time we're gonna get the amazing fork.
Okay.
Yeah.
Amazing food.
I love your wrist. I love your bracelet.
Girl.
Your wrist is so beautiful.
So much about this. I got this from only for my birthday.
Wow.
Look at it.
Yeah, man.
Girl, 100 carats.
Wow, that's lots.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man.
I
Italy.
got it for my birthday.
You take care of your stuff.
Girl, me there all over the place when only buy me this.
It looks antique.
You know, me have the chain for it also.
Wow.
And the earring, you know what? Let me put it in my bag because...
You don't want to lose that, girl. That's lots of money. It's hard to come by.
That on our wrist right there. When I went to Dubai for the second time, I bought it. Yeah, man.
Beautiful.
The second trip to Dubai, I bought it. 100
Put it up, girl.
Nice,
I always
nice.
wanted to visit
Like
Dubai.
look, you know?
Yeah,
Dubai
man.
is lovely. I love their
I always
buildings.
buy my wife lots of stuff.
That
You
now
know?
start do you know?
Because
Yeah.
I like drills a lot. You know?
Hear that?
Babe, you know, someone got a bathroom. My bathroom there's somewhere on the side.
Right on the corridor.
Can't follow
I
me.
can take it there.
I leave my bag right.
Go. It's fast food, you know. So it goes in, so it comes out.
I'll be right back.
Yeah man, pick up your idea, so.
The garbage is over there, you know.
I will bring it when I reach home and burn it. So I want to like somebody captivated.
Oh my God, I'll put some lip gloss on.
Put it on lip gloss.
Yes, I gotta shine it
See this
up.
finger there when you go bang in my back? Oh my god.
You will see. For me to know, for you to find out.
Alright, so make sure when I go by, I will be here waiting.
I would mind FedExing you there. I'm gonna say for you.
I'm gonna put a banana boat for you.
No, don't say no about no banana boat. Don't diss the banana boat.
No, I wanna come here with you.
Yeah, I'm going to tell my friends I'm really in a car right now. This is like those soaking on
Come like your aisle right there, no babes. Wait till you go up in a mansion, no man. That's cool, no
I
man.
can't wait. I'm ready now. I have to like
So when are you leaving?
I don't think I'm gonna leave as yet. I'm gonna extend my stay.
Not even better
I'm
for
gonna
me.
extend my trip.
I like that.
I'm gonna go up there to Pika. I'm gonna extend my stay. I'll be there lots of more days, weeks, maybe months.
I'm gonna spend
Girl.
On
right
to
now,
no.
I'm telling you right now.
Mama, nice.
Right now, girl,
What you
nice
was
one this
drinking?
way. You give me around that bar for drink. So far, honestly, it's not mind if I put that ready. If you
I'm ready to go.
Girl, I go on with myself right
Look
now.
at her. I'm ready to go as well. I'm ready to go.
Your baby look full of so much.
Here we
I'm
go.
so tipsy, man. I'm so speedy,
Oh my
man.
God. Stop looking
Oh,
at
here we
me.
go. Don't wait till we reach you up. We're doing that. Come on.
Remember, so we're not going to see the place, you know.
All right.
Some never come on my head.
What I come
Some
and
never
buy.
come on.
Yeah, man, watch out now. Thank you all for watching the movie to the end. You see me? Yeah, man, and big up to everybody who subscribe. New subscriber, old subscriber. Love the support we get. You understand? Thanks to all who comment. Hey, comment them. We like it, comment them. You understand? And them kind of keep we. Propel we for continue. Because when we see good comment, them I will say, yeah, man, the people, them I watch and them I enjoy. Yeah, that's the key. So watch out, man. Everybody wanna there, stay safe, be right. Tell a friend boy channel, introduce someone to it. Help us grow in any way you can. You see me? Peace of our respect. Yeah.